Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to edit your customized shower room. Okay, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization function and go into your shower room function. Right, once you're in, select the square shower room. Okay, so you may drag any one of these out. Okay, so I'll be using this to show you. Right, well, for your information, you may actually change or customize the little tiny details of your shower room. Okay, so for example, if I want to change my door, okay, I would like to change my panels or these small little things at the corner, right? You may be able to do that. All right, so right now let me show you. So as you can see, when I click onto my shower room right now, it actually selects the entire thing, the entire shower room. So how do I select an individual item, a single item? All right, so just by clicking on click on B and go into your board selection mode. All right, so right now when you're in your board selection mode, you may be able to select all these single items. For example, like panels, as you can see at the bottom. Okay, your door, all right, and these small little things at your corner. All right, so right now I would like to switch it around. All right, from my left door, I would like to switch it over to my right door, and for all these small tiny little details, I would like to switch it over as well. So let's start from the bottom, the panel, as you can see. Okay, so when I click on this panel, I can actually key in. Okay, so right now over here, as you can see, you can move it, you can rotate it. So I will key in -570. Alright, so as you can see, it actually moves to my right side. Okay, and then for now, all these small little tiny details, okay, I would like to move it over to my left hand side. Same thing, okay, go to your movement, alright, on your front back, key in the numbers, alright, 450. As you can see, I move it over here, and then for this one, I will key in 1070. Okay, I'll repeat the same because it is the same thing, 1070. Right. So right now, as you can see, I switch all these tiny little details around. So right now, it's time for my door. Okay. So right now, same thing. My movement, I'll move it to my left hand side first, so it's easier for me to move my right door to my left door right now. Okay, so I click on my right door. Okay, so my movement over here, I will key in 590. Right, as you can see, it moves to the left. Okay, and then right now for this one, I would like to rotate it. Okay, I would like to rotate it and have my handle on the right side. So go to my rotation. Okay, and then I'll key in 180 degrees. Right now, I already rotated. I want to move it here. So for my movement x-axis, I'll just key in 0. Alright, so this is how you customize, how you edit your customized shower room. Okay, and for example, if let's say you would like to use your own handle, if let's say you already import your own handle, door handle, okay, you may actually do that as well. Right, so right now, go to any customized cabinet functions, because we are going to use a superboard. So look for a superboard. Okay, your superboard is actually going to be your new door. Okay, so look for a superboard. All right, my height, I'll make it 8. Okay, so change the dimensions according to your door size. All right, so to 0. Okay, and then this one, my width, 560. Okay, okay, so right now I have my door done, so I can actually click on X. I click on my X, and then I rotate it up 90 degrees. Right, and then right now I click on Z to adjust the to move it around. Okay, so right now I have my door already, so I can just go back to my customized shower room, click on B, make sure so that you can select individual items. Okay, so I can actually delete my door away. Okay, I can actually also delete this door away. So right now, go back to my superboard, click on Z to move it. Okay, so let me adjust it into my shower room. Okay, okay, so right now I've already placed my new door. Okay, so right now is still a wooden panel. So I can actually click onto my panel and then go right down here, material. Okay, I would like to change my material into a glass material. So select a glass material, I'll select a clear glass. Right, well, as you can see right now, it is in bluish color. It is because this is before render, but right after you render, it will look exactly like a clear glass. It will look exactly the same here. All right, so right now I already have my left hand side, so I can actually click on Ctrl V to copy and then place it on the right side. All right, so right now I have my doors ready and I can actually use my handle which I uploaded earlier. Okay, so if let's say you have your own handle, you can actually do it this way. Okay, so right now I have my handle ready. I can actually go to my cloud. Okay, I go to my finishes. Okay, wallpaper, and then I'll just color, put a finishing onto my handle. Alright, so this is how you edit your customized shower room. Good luck trying, guys.